Hi friends, today I am going to discuss the question answer of the chapter The World Population, Distribution, Density and Growth. It is a chapter of geography book of class 12. First question. What are the physical factors that affect distribution of population? Answer. The physical factor which affect distribution of population are four, out of which first is climate. People do not want to live in the area where there is very hot climate. People do not want to live in the area where there is very cold climate. But people want to live in the area where there is moderate climate. Next is availability of water. Water is an essential part of our life. Without water, we cannot survive for long time. Through water, we perform different activities. Next is landform. People want to live in plain area because plain area is suitable for making homes. Next is soil. Soil should be fertile as it is suitable for agriculture, and most of the people are dependent on agriculture. Next question. What are the economic factors that affect distribution of population? Answer. Economic factor which affect distribution of population are three, out of which first is mineral. People want to live in the area where there is abundance of mineral because both skilled and unskilled people got job there. Next is urbanization. People want to live in urban cities because there is better facility of education, better medical facilities are also there. There is proper sanitation, etc. Next is industrialization. There are many industries in urban cities. So many workers are required to work in industry. So in this way, people get the job in industry easily That's why people want to live in the area where there is industrialization. Next question. What are social and cultural factors that affect distribution of population? Answer. Social and cultural factors which affect distribution of population are three, out of which first is cultural significance hyphen people want to live at the place which has cultural and religious significance. Next is social and political unrest hyphen people do not want to live at the place where there is war or conflict. They want to move to a peace place. Next is government incentive hyphen government provide incentive to the people who are ready to live in sparsely populated area. Next question. What are the component of population growth? Answer. There are three components of population growth. First is birth rate hyphen birth rate is defined as number of birth in a year per thousand of population. Next is death rate hyphen death rate is defined as number of death in a year per thousand of population. Next is migration hyphen migration is defined as the movement of people from the place of origin to the place of destination. Next question. What are type of migration? Answer. Type of migration are four, out of which first is urban to rural, next is urban to urban, next is rural to rural, next is rural to urban. Next question. What are component of migration? Answer. Component of migration are two. First is place of origin hyphen when people leave their hometown, the place which they live is called place of origin. Next is place of destination. Hyphen. Pupil went to a new place. The new place at which pupil went is called place of destination. Next question. What are the factors of migration? Answer. Factor of migration are two, out of which first is push factor. Hyphen. These factors are related to the place of origin, where number of reasons are responsible to push people to another place. For example, unemployment, poor living conditions, etc. Next is pull factor. Hyphen. These factors are related to the place of destination. These factors attract people due to number of reasons. For example, employment, good living conditions, etc. Next question. Name the factors which affect mortality rate. Answer. Factors affecting mortality rate are as follows. First is region's demographic structure, social advancement, and economic development. Next is besides epidemic, prolonged famine and flood lead to increase in death rate. Next is immunization against communicable and chronic disease. Government aided schemes, supply of safe drinking water, etc. lead to decrease in death rate. Next question. What do you mean by density of population? Answer. Density of population means the number of people living in square kilometer of area. Next question. What is the theory of Malthus? Answer. Malthus give his theory in 17 98, he stated that number of population increases at a faster rate than the supply of food. He further says that if population increases, then it would lead to the situation of population crash due to famine, war, and disease. He further says that preventive checks are better than physical check. Next question. What is demographic cycle? Answer. Demographic cycle represent the change in population as it move from high birth and high death to low birth and low death. Next question. What are the three stages of demographic transition theory? Answer. There are three stages of demographic transition theory, which are as follows. Stage 1 hyphen birth rate and death rate. Death rate is high in this stage. Death rate is high in this stage. Due to epidemic and shortage of food. In this stage, most of the people are living in rural area and they are uneducated. In this stage, technologies are also less. Next is stage 2 hyphen. In this stage, birth rate is still high, but death rate is low. Death rate is low in this stage due to proper health and medical facilities. Due to more gap between birth and death rate, there is explosion of population. Next is stage 3 hyphen. In this stage, birth rate and death rate both are low, or we can say that birth rate is nearly equal to death rate. In this stage, people are more urbanized and literate and they have better technical support.